we do it for you. I mean, to me, there's just no better food because it's made with love in my eyes. Smoking's love. You know, our brisket is cooked 13 to 15 hours in that smoker at low and slow, 250 to 300 degrees. It's a daily thing with us, the best brisket on the East Coast. We also have pork butt that we smoke for 10 to 12 hours. Our sausage, there's nothing like smoked sausage. What the chow line enables us to do is business people can come in here and they can get in and out in, I'll say it's the fastest lunch in Rockville. Now you can come get smoked meat by the pound, sandwiches, chicken, all in a drive-through. We added a bar, enables us to do sports. In addition, we also have bands on Friday and Saturday night. We're literally right off the pike onto Goody Drive. No electricity, no gas, it's just hickory wood. It's a very unique product, I think.